Development of Scypha, we have already covered that how zygote is covered by means of brood capsule and the whole structure lies in the mesenchyme. Now cleavage of the zygote occurs within the brood capsule and the cleavage is holoblastic. Holoblastic means the zygote and the resulting blastomeres divide completely. एक पोल तो शुरू होंदी है, दूजे पोल तक cleavage complete होंदी है. So this is the zygote. So this cleavage occurs within the brood capsule. Now zygote first division is vertical. So just see from animal pole, starts from animal pole up to vegetal pole, resulting in the formation of two blastomere. Second is again vertical. So जे पहली इस तरह ना हुई है, दूसरी उससे इस तरह ना होगी vertically, but at right angles to the first. So second is again vertical but at right angles to the first, resulting in the formation of four-celled stage. Third cleavage is again vertical and it occurs in two planes. Two planes means it will divide all the blastomeres. एक बार इस तरह होगी, एक बार इस तरह होगी. Then the next cleavage is horizontal and it occurs above the equator. Horizontal means it occurs in this manner. So as it occurs above the equator, ਤਾਂ ਉੱਪਰਲੇ 4 ਬਲਾਸਟੋਮੀਅਰ ਛੋਟੇ ਸਾਈਜ਼ ਦੇ ਹੋ ਰਹੇ ਆ, ਥੱਲੇ ਉੱਪਰਲੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ 8 ਬਲਾਸਟੋਮੀਅਰਸ ਛੋਟੇ ਸਾਈਜ਼ ਦੇ ਹੋ ਰਹੇ ਆ, ਥੱਲੇ ਵਾਲੇ 8 ਬਲਾਸਟੋਮੀਅਰਸ ਵੱਡੇ ਸਾਈਜ਼ ਦੇ ਹੋ ਰਹੇ ਆ. Upper one they are known as micromeres, lower one they are known as macromeres. Now micromeres they divide at a fast rate, then macromeres, and all the micromeres they develop cilia or flagella, and these flagella they are directed in the interior. And a cavity appears between micromeres and macromeres. So अंदर एक cavity develop होगी, उसनों असी blastocele कहता. सारे micromeres दे उत्ते flagella develop हो गए and flagella they are directed inward. Blastocele opens to the exterior by means of blastopore. Now this stage of the embryo is known as stomoblastula because it uses blastopore as its mouth. ਇਹਦੇ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਇਹ ਅਮੀਬੋਸਾਈਟਸ ਤੇ ਫੀਡ ਕਰਦੀ ਆ. ਸੋ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਐਮਬਰੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਟੋਮੋਬਲਾਸਟੂਲਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਹਦਾ ਬਲਾਸਟੋਪੋਰ ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ that is used as a mouth, it feeds on other amoebocytes. Now this is naturally vertical section because only in the vertical section you can see the blastocele. Now this stomoblastula undergoes inversion. Inversion means अपना अंदरला हिस्सा माउथ राही बाहर कढ़ लेंदी आ. It turns its inside out through mouth. So naturally now flagella they are directed outward. Now what happens? Macromeres they also divide. So naturally half of the embryo is ciliated having micromeres, half of the embryo is made up of macromeres, it is non-ciliated. This stage of the embryo is known as amphiblastula larva. Now amphiblastula larva ruptures the brood capsule. ਹੁਣ तक ਦੀ development है ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ ਸਾਰੀ brood capsule 'ਚ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ. It ruptures the brood capsule and enters into radial canals. From radial canals, along with the outgoing water current, it leaves the body of parent Scypha. It moves about with the help of cilia. It swims actively for some time within the water and then it settles down to some object with the help of its blastopore end. Now what happens कि ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਹਦੇ flagellated cells ਨੇ they sink into non-flagellated cells. ਉੱਪਰਲੇ cells ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹ ਅੰਦਰ ਨੂੰ ਧੱਸ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ non-flagellated cells ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. So naturally बाहर macromeres आ गए, अंदर micromeres आ गए, and again now these cilia they will be directed inward. So due to this invagination, now single-layered amphiblastula larva changes into two-layered gastrula. Its outer layer is made up of macromeres, inner layer is made up of micromeres, and their cilia they are directed inward. And the opening to the exterior is known as blastopore, and this is the blastocele which naturally reduces in size. So this is again longitudinal section of gastrula, only then you can see the cavity also. Now further development of this gastrula takes place. This gastrula settles on some object and this blastopore end closes. This end closes and whole of the embryo elongates and a new aperture appears at the top. So आ पोर बंद हो गया, ऊपर एक नवा पोर अपीयर हो गया, तब with the result of which you can see the embryo elongates. Outer layer is made up of macromeres, inner layer is made up of micromeres, and the cilia or flagella they are directed inward, and a new aperture appears at the top. This is the osculum. Now just see, after outer non-flagellated cells they flatten, they behave as the dermal layer. Inner flagellated cells they act as coinocyte and they form the gastral layer. So बाहरली layer ने dermal layer बनानी है, अंदरली layer ने gastral layer बनानी है. Then pores they appear on the sides of the cylinder. Pores they appear on the sides ਤੇ pores appear ਹੋ ਗਏ, they behave as dermal ostia. ਸੋ ਹੁਣ ਸਿੰਪਲੀ ਕੀ ਹੋਊਗਾ, ਵਾਟਰ ਕਰੰਟ ਡਰਮਲ ਆਸਟੀਆ ਚੋਂ ਐਂਟਰ ਕਰਦਾ, ਸੈਂਟਰ ਵਾਲੀ ਕੈਵਿਟੀ ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਸਪੌਂਜੋਸੀਲ, ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਐਂਟਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਔਰ ਔਸਕੂਲਮ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਨਿਕਲ ਗਿਆ. ਸੋ ਵਾਟਰ ਕਰੰਟ ਐਂਟਰਸ ਥਰੂ ਡਰਮਲ ਆਸਟੀਆ, ਰੀਚਸ ਸਪੌਂਜੋਸੀਲ ਐਂਡ ਲੀਵਸ ਥਰੂ ਔਸਕੂਲਮ. This stage of the embryo resembles with sponge leucocylunia. ਲੀਕੋਸਿਲੀਨੀਆ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੈਨਾਲ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਆ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਇਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਹੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਸਿੰਪਲ ਟਾਈਪ ਆਫ ਕੈਨਾਲ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਹੁੰਦਾ. ਸੋ ਇਹ ਸਟੇਜ ਲੀਕੋਸਿਲੀਨੀਆ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਜ਼ੈਂਬਲ ਕਰਦੀ ਆ, ਦੈਟਸ ਵਾਈ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਨੋਨ ਐਜ਼ ਦਾ ਓਲਿੰਥਸ ਸਟੇਜ. ਨਾਓ ਵਟ ਹੈਪਨਸ, ਦ ਵਾਲ ਆਫ ਦੀ ਸਪੰਜ ਥਿਕਨਸ due to the formation of mesoglea between them. Invagination of dermal layer forms the incurrent canal. Evaginations of the gastral layer form the radial canals. All types of amoebocytes and spicules, they are synthesized within the mesoglea. With all these changes, a young scypha is formed. So wall ਦੀ folding ਹੋ ਗਈ, dermal layer ਦੀ invagination ਨਾਲ incurrent canals ਬਣ ਗਈਆਂ, gastral layer ਦੀ evagination ਨਾਲ radial canals ਬਣ ਗਈਆਂ. ਸੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ changes ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ultimately different types of amoebocytes differentiate ਹੋ ਗਏ mesoglea ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, spicules ਬਣ ਗਏ. With all these changes, a young scypha is formed. So that's all about the development of scypha.